When booking through SPIC and SPAN Home and Office Cleaning, you can request a variety of optional extras to tailor your service to your needs. These services are available at no additional fee, but they may increase the total cleaning duration, which will be reflected in your final bill. Some of these extras also require special equipment, so it's best to request them in advance through the booking form. Heavily soiled areas like balconies or dirty ovens might require deep cleaning. In such cases, a separate quote may be provided. Here are the extras you can request: dusting accessible surfaces, cobwebs, or fragile items; lime scale removal, shower, sink, and bathroom surfaces; dishwashing, dishes, removing stains, dishwasher loading or unloading; balcony cleaning, floors, railing, outdoor furniture; ironing, iron, fold, and organize clothing; chandelier cleaning, surface wipe, crystal shine, and metal polish; oven cleaning, remove burnt food, clean racks, glass, and interior; fridge cleaning, remove old food and clean the interior; window cleaning, inside windows, outside by request; laundry, washer, dryer, or hang laundry; watering plants based on plant needs; gardening, trimming, pruning, and planting. To request any of these extras, simply select them during your booking. It's quick, easy, and tailored to your home's needs.